Hello. Yes, very good evening, students. This is my live video on the topic grooming. Why I am doing a live video? Because all the previous videos which are related to interview skills, communication skills, they may not require front to front or face to face interaction. But I think grooming is a very important topic which I need to face you, right? Because if you don't look at me and if I don't see you, how I'll explain you? Okay, this is such a topic which is very important. The term is very important for a fresher to get into a job. I'll tell about some of my past experience. Well, when I passed out my college, then I shifted myself to a professional industry. How I have groomed myself, हो सकता है कि योर कम्युनिकेशन इज़ नॉट गुड, आपके आप जो बातचीत कर रहे हो या तो फिर आपका इंग्लिश प्रॉपर नहीं है, यू आर नॉट फ्रॉम एन इंग्लिश मीडियम बैकग्राउंड, बट इफ़ यू कैन स्पीक वेल, हो सकता है कि यू आर गिविंग एन इंटरव्यू इन हिंदी, दैट विल डू. If you are well groomed, if you are well behaved, then definitely you can win it. Okay, so it is not compulsory कि आपको इंग्लिश मीडियम से ही पास आउट करना पड़ेगा, like when you are going for an interview. Okay, because there are many big industrialists who are who have studied from a medium, Bengali medium or a Hindi medium background. So how they are running off? Okay, so that is very important. Like your communication, if you speak in Hindi, English, Urdu, Tamil, whatever language it may be, your grooming should be perfect. Okay. Now, what is grooming? Grooming means like not putting lipsticks and the boys having spikes. They are not grooming. Okay. Grooming is something like that which you make yourself very professional, you make yourself very presentable in front of the interviewers. Okay, keep in mind, grooming is not only for the interviewers. Grooming is very important for any person who is being trying to conduct any seminar. Suppose tomorrow I have a seminar with some institutes or with some organization, but if my grooming is not perfect, like if I am not professional, if I don't have a professional look, so I don't think audience will be very feel free to contact with me, right? They will not have any interest for my seminar, right? So grooming is very important for an industry. Let's come to the definition. Suppose if someone tells like what is grooming? Grooming is very important language of a professional industry. It means how you feel about and how your looks, and it also resembles your personality. Okay, now suppose uh, you are going for an interview, you cannot speak well in English, that may be because I myself have conducted many interviews. I have seen students, maximum students, they have passed out from Bengali medium school or they are coming from village, but they have a very good personality. So personality in grooming is very important. How you are presenting yourself in front of the audience or in front of the interviewers. Fine. Now, suppose you are ill and you don't like to feel go out. Suppose your friend is having a birthday party, he or she has invited you. Now, if you don't feel well, I don't think that though you put good makeup or do you have good dresses with you, if your look is dull, जितना भी आप अच्छा ड्रेस पहनो या तो फिर मेकअप डालो, it will not look good because your mood is not good. Fine. So grooming is something which relates to your personality. Fine. Now, how many types of grooming are there? Basically, see, ऐसा तो टाइप होता नहीं है, but फिर भी I'll tell you, grooming is one is personal grooming. That is all about hygiene. ठीक है, आप रोज बहुत अच्छा सेंट लगा के जाओगे, but you don't keep yourself clean. Okay, that is called personal hygiene. Yes. साबुन तो हम रोज देते हैं, but what is personal hygiene? Personal hygiene is something like that which will complement you. Okay. Number two, how will take care of your hair and skin. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है you have to go to the parlor every day. Okay. So taking care of the hair and skin is very important. Now I am talking about the basic hygiene, right? What is basic hygiene? Well, I was talking about the basic hygiene, like what is the basic grooming or basic hygiene means. Okay. uh, for First of all, before interview, don't use any strong perfume. Okay, use a mild perfume which will give you a nice smell. Okay, trim your nails properly. It is both for male and female. Okay, then you should wear minimal makeup. Okay, anything not over makeup is not actually appreciated. Minimal makeup is required. Clean hands, feet, toenails. Also, do not chew gum. This is a very bad habit. Please, in the interview session, avoid chewing gum. Then, smoking before interview can lead to cancellation. Please keep in mind, especially for the boys, if you smoke during the interview or before the interview, it will smell because smoking has a very strong sense of smell. Avoid flip-flop, chappals and keto shoes. That we already know, because we should always wear black or brown boots. Fine. Come to number 8. You should shave daily. Like when a male is going for an interview, you should always shave before an interview. Then you should trim your mustache. Mustache trimming is very important. You should comb your hair properly, and your shirt should be well ironed. Use a light color shirt, preferably with black, blue or grey trousers. Do not use a stud. Like nowadays, current fashion trend, often boys also use one stud in earring. Right? That you should avoid. Avoid having long hairs. Even long hair length beneath the ear, that is also not acceptable. Okay. Now coming to female professionals, like female, those who are going for the interview, you should always keep in mind that your hair should be neat and tiny. You should always use a ponytail. Then get rid of facial hair. Wear a flat shoe. Very high heeled pencil shoe is not accepted. Minimal heel is fine. Preferably use a transparent nail paint. Okay, bold color like red, pink, blue is not at all accepted. Yes, my dear Girls, you can obviously use your nail polish, but please keep your nail polish for the party purpose, and during interview use a light color, mild color nail paint. Avoid using loud colors. Whatever, don't use any junk jewelries, and only use a single stud if you have, then only you can wear it. Obviously, you should avoid bracelets. You can wear a watch, but no bracelet. Fine. Then corporate dressing is must. It helps to create your personality, and it exudes leadership quality, confidence, and elegance. Now, uh, well, I want to share my experience with you all, that for a well grooming and to become a well trained, you should always keep in mind that an interviewer is not going to tell you, yes, why you have came like this, why your shoe is like this. They only watch, that's it. Okay, they'll never tell you that these are your faults, you should not come in a white shoe, you should not wear a sneaker. They'll not tell you. So you have to be prepared from yourself, and each and every step is notified in an interview hall. That's it. Thank you.